We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Asia's Orphan, 雅西亚的孤儿 was the novel that brought Wu Zhuoliu to the attention of literary critics. The confused identity of Taiwanese during the Japanese occupation is embodied in the main character, Hu Taiming. An intellectual trained as a teacher, but constantly reminded of his inferior status to Japanese, he is at the mercy of imperialist ambition and war his whole life. He goes to study in Japan in order to raise his status. However, on his return, he is unable to find a job and goes to China, where he finds he does not fit in either. He marries his student, but when the Sino-Japanese unrest starts and his Taiwan identity is revealed, he is thrown into prison. Rescued by a student, he returns to Taiwan, where he is drafted into the Japanese army to fight in China. Eventually, he goes mad and is returned to Taiwan. Hello, everyone. It's time for a Hakka lesson of the day. Ngai Hey Joseph Lin.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong.
It is time to talk about something that is nice to do because of the weather. And because it's getting cold out there, winter is right here, it's time to go to the hot springs again and soak in there for, well, not too long, otherwise you'll faint, okay? 现在冬天又已经到了哦，所以呢，大家喜欢做的事情就是什么？泡温泉、洗温泉。所以呢，我们来教教大家，如果要跟一些哈卡的朋友出去洗温泉，到底要怎么邀約他們，好不好
？OK。寒天到咧，
寒天到了是冬天嗎？有學過哈。
錯啊。
是寒天啦，寒天。you know, I need to review some of my own Hakka. 寒天到咧。
有閒做得鄉下去洗溫泉麼
I'll try my best. 有空。有閒。做得。鄉下去洗溫泉麼 Okay, that means can we go and go to the hot springs together? Okay, so the whole sentence is winter is here. Can we all go to the hot springs together? Let's review that.
寒天到咧。
That's winter time is here.
有閒做得。
which means do you have time?
鄉下去
一起去，對不對？Together. 洗溫泉麼 That means go together to the hot springs. 洗溫泉麼 If you just want a short version, just go 洗溫泉麼洗溫泉嗎這樣子就好了嘛，對不對 Well, there you have it. That's our Hakka lesson of the day. Hope you have a warm winter. I'm Joseph Lin.
是母太家。
俺子say張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製，邀您一起體驗另一種不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Commission of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.